Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. So I was reached by Boxycharm and it's not sponsored. I just want to tell you guys that right away. They want to send this over to me for me to check it out. This is the April Boxycharm box. I got here really late, so I'm filming it the day of. But I want to show you guys really quick. Today is April 30th and I will be uploading this video and filming it the same day. So I want to show you guys really quick because the month of April is gonna finish, but just in case you guys are interested for the month of May, May, they do have a monthly subscription where you can get the base box, the premium box, or the luxe box. Each one is different and they have a bunch of products in there for a really great value. So if you guys want to check it out, you guys can. I will be linking it down below, just in case you guys are interested. I can link the website down below for you guys to check it out. But I really am excited about this because I did see my sister one time have a subscription box with Boxycharm, and she would get like 5 products there, and she would get like really cool products there for her to try to see which one she liked, and which is really cool. I never had it, but I'm excited that they reached out to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the box and see what there is inside. So this month, I guess it was like a sweet treats box, and it looks like this, like that. Try out some stuff here for you guys. So the first product that I have here, it is of course the Natasha Denona palette. I heard about this. I heard that they were gonna have this in this Boxycharm, and I was like, what? I've never tried Natasha Denona, but I got this palette right here. It's like the most basic brownish palette. Really cute. So I'm excited to kind of use this. I am gonna be trying this out for you guys. This Natasha Denona palette, it is originally priced at $48, which is expensive for me for this kind of amount, but I shall see how the formula works. This is a special edition palette created exclusively for Boxycharm, featuring 5 ultra pigmented neutral cool toned shades in a range of muted browns with a touch of sparkling metal green tourmaline. Is it tourmaline? I think it's tourmaline. Inspired by the Japanese meaning of aya, meaning color and design, combined with na, meaning elegant, grace and delicate. It is perfect everyday palette to create sophisticated classy looks as well as evening looks with a super glam finish. It says formulated with Natasha's signature blendable, user-friendly formulas and highest quality pure color pigments, dazzling chroma, crystals, and luminous pearls, suitable for every skin tone, cruelty-free and allergen-free. So that was like a lot. So I'm going to try this out actually on my eyes. And I see here that it has a Diva. Well, it came with this Diva. This is a Diva eye brush set. And this Diva London brush set, it is perfect for eye looks, and it's cruelty-free brush set for eyeshadow and eyeliner. It is actually $48. It's $48. Why is this so expensive? Like, I don't understand. But I mean, they look like this. Super cute. I'm gonna take them out of the bag. I am gonna be using these eyeshadow brushes for the Natasha Denona. I feel like I'm being super luxe today, really using high-end stuff. But this one's actually really cool. This one's actually good, like to cut under eye here. So we're gonna try those out. Primed my eyes with some concealer. I did use this Urban Decay concealer. So we're gonna go in with the Natasha Denona palette for right now. It's gonna be really easy, a fast look. So I'm gonna be using this palette. This is kind of cute. I like the fact that this color is kind of like very cool, but then we also have like this neutral-ish cool tone color. Really cool. So we're gonna go in with this brush here. It doesn't have like a name or number, it's just like a little brush set. So we're gonna go in with the shade, this one right over here. We're gonna go in with this shade, and we're gonna be using this. Ooh, just letting you guys know I'm getting this. And we're gonna just kind of pack this on the crease and kind of like blend that. Oh, I did not expect that to be that dark. Comes out a little bit darker on here. Blend that out and wing it out. Grab a little bit and add it under the eye. Now I'm gonna grab a little bit of this shade right here just to blend it out a little bit more so it doesn't look too like not blend it out. So we're gonna just add this and blend it all out. It's gonna be like the most easiest look ever. We're just trying out the palette just to see how it works. And just to add a little bit of definition to the inner corner, I'm gonna grab a little bit of the same shadow right here and just kind of add it in the inner corner and blending that out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade right here, and just to kind of add a little bit more depth to the outer corner right here, and just kind of wing it out a little bit, and also connecting that to the lower lash line and just winging it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this shade right here, and I'm gonna add this to my lid just to kind of add a little bit of shimmer in there. So with this brush here, I am going to be using this to stamp a little bit more color to the lash line, and just stamp it like this. It's a really dense flat brush, so we're gonna just use that and just stamp it a little bit like this. Do you guys see how it makes a difference? It makes it a little bit more darker. So far, this is how the eye looks. It's very, very simple. I'm gonna go ahead and add mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back, and now we're gonna be checking out the other products that they sent over. So this one is from Kinder. I think it's Kinder Beauty, and it looks like this. And this is a highlighter palette, which I actually don't have any highlighter on. It looks like I do, but I really don't. It's something else that I have on, like blush. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. It looks like this. So this is a highlighter brush, and it is what does it cost? It costs $15. This is going to be retailing for $15. This palette includes 3 universal flattering highlighters and 1 marble highlighter. The talc-free buttery formula practically melts into the skin, granting a beautiful luminous look with opalescent, I think it's opalescent pearls and a velvet texture. The compact size makes it easy to travel and allow for an on the go glow, one of those things. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out. It looks like this. Do you guys see how that looks right there? It looks really, really nice. So we're gonna go ahead and highlight with this. I haven't used highlighter in so long. I just don't normally. Oh, so I'm gonna just try this one right here since it's kind of blinding. I'm gonna go into these twos right here because it looks really, really nice. We're gonna go in with that and just highlight on. Ooh, what a big difference. Look, this is without highlighter, and then this is with it. I haven't highlighted in so long. Looks really, really nice. I like that so far. This is actually really cute, and it's not that bad. It's pretty affordable. Well, affordable would be like maybe $9 to me, but this is $15, which is not bad compared to the other products that I had said. So the next one, it is going to be this Earth Harbor Aurora Superfood Luminous. I have my makeup on, so what I'm going to try is do it on my hand just to see how it works. So this is going to be a gives your face illuminating superfood nutrients with harmonizing green seeds and cannabis sativa hemp oil, plus pacifying grapeseed oil and neem seed extract. Serenely energize and soothe skin while revealing dewy luminous. I cannot read, and this is actually $32. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out. It looks like this. Super, super nice. I love the packaging. It looks really cool. So I'm gonna just kind of add a little bit of this. So my hand does have no like lotion whatsoever, so we're gonna just add this to the arm and then just kind of see. And so I'm assuming this is gonna give really nice hydrating to the skin. So this is my arm without it, and then this is my arm with it. I feel like I can see and I can feel how hydrating it leaves my hand. It just feels really, really nice. You know what it feels like? This smells so good. Oh my god, this smells really, really nice. I don't even know how to explain the smell because it's so, so good. So this is plant-based, no GMOs, vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade, sustainable, no gluten added, no soy added, small batch made, and woman owned. So this is amazing, you guys. This is actually really, really good. So if you guys are into these things, go ahead and try it. This has grapeseed oil, it has hemp seed oil, it has a bunch of oils, avocado oil, fruit oil, seaweed oil, sunflower, this is rosemary oil, this is actually really, really cool. I actually like this a lot. I can't wait to try this on my face. This is amazing. I love this. So the last thing that we're going to talk about, it is going to be this palette. This is the B Beauty London palette. So let me tell you guys about this palette. This palette, it is, oh no, there's actually one more thing here. I didn't even see. Okay, so this palette right here, this is going to be, where is it at? Okay, so I have no information about this palette, but this is the B Beauty London palette, and I don't know how much it is, to be honest, but it does have these kind of colors in here. Let me see the colors. It is cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, and let's see, it looks like this. So the under colors that I obviously love are this one right here and the blue. The blue one's amazing. The browns, obviously. But it has a bunch of shimmers, which I'm like, whatever's about. I mean, it is cute. But if you're into shimmers, this is a palette for you. I don't know how much it is, but I like it. But I didn't want to try that palette today because I really, really want to try the Natasha Denona palette. So the next one, it is going to be, and the last one, it is going to be this Dominique Cosmetics Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner. I actually have lipstick on, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to take it off so you guys can try this out. It actually looks like the color of my lips a little bit, so we're going to try this out. So I took it off, and this is a Dominique. So this is a Dominique Cosmetics lip liner, and this is retails for $18. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out, and it looks like this, you guys. I actually like the way it looks, so let's go ahead and try it out on the lips. So I actually really, really like this. I'm gonna keep this really close by because it feels comfortable, and it literally looks like the other color that I used. The other lipstick that I was using, it is the House Laboratories Le Monster Matte Lip Crayon, and it's Talk Dirty. So it's basically like the same color, but I really, really like it. I'm like trying to see myself. I really like this one. So this is the final look. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below of any of these products. These are all new products to me, so I actually tried new stuff today. Normally I don't do that. I try to keep the stuff that I like. But this is the cool part about Boxycharm, that they give you products for you to try. And that's amazing. I'm actually really excited for this one. This smells amazing. I can't wait to add this on my nighttime routine. This is so good and so nice. So thank you guys so much, and thank you Boxycharm for sending this box to me. It's a little late when I'm uploading it because I got it like on April 30th, so it sucks. But if you guys are interested in Boxycharm, you guys can go ahead and check the link down below. I will link them down below. This is not sponsored. They just wanted to send this box to me so I can try out the products. So let me know what you guys think on the comments below. And if you guys are not following me on my Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, make sure you guys are following me there. I'm always posting there. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.